1. Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or even your pet? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to revolutionize how you keep track of your most important items. 2. What makes these Bluetooth trackers truly special is Apple's game-changing precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology. 3. Imagine a visual guide on your iPhone, leading you directly to your misplaced item with remarkable accuracy, like a digital hot or cold game. 4. Setting up your AirTags is incredibly simple too. A mere one-tap setup with your iPhone has them ready to go in seconds. 5. No complicated pairing processes, just seamless integration into your Apple ecosystem, making this the best smart tracker for iPhone users. 6. Plus, these aren't fragile gadgets. With IP67 water and dust resistance, your AirTags can handle splashes in dusty environments, giving you ultimate peace of mind. 7. Attach them to a backpack, keys, or even a dog collar, knowing they're built tough enough for everyday adventures. 8. If you're looking to purchase the ultimate solution for keeping tabs on your valuables, the AirTag 4-pack is an absolute game-changer in electronics. 9. It's not just a tracker, it's an integrated part of Apple's vast Find My network, ensuring your items can be located even far away. 10. For unmatched accuracy, effortless setup, and robust durability, I highly recommend checking out the Apple AirTag 4-pack. Find the link on Amazon below.